Good afternoon to all of you and to my co-panelists. Now, I know very little about e-governance, electronics and computers and so on because I'm a 65-year-old person. I actually belong to a different century. However, I'll probably give you a few thoughts and then leave it to my co-panelists to decide. And what I was suggesting is that each of you speak for about 15 minutes. I guarantee I will not speak for more than 5 minutes in total. And then we'll have about 15 minutes for questions and answers so that people get a better feel of this. As I said, I belong to a different century in a way. But a few thoughts I want to leave before the panelists and for all of you here. I'm unable to understand why we do not have enough of e-governance. The promise that was made in the RTI Act was that all government departments will computerize their operations. This has been not followed by any department, including the commissions themselves. All information commissions across the country have loads of paper files. In fact, I've often wondered, in 1985, an Indian Prime Minister said that we will have everything on computers. In 2012, somebody mentioned about paper files. And the truth is 25 to 30% of the corruption in India takes place by the simple act of saying, file gayab ho gaya, file mil gaya. Substituting a record, changing a record. All of which, as all of us are aware, in a computerized system can be detected, if any of this was done. So simple position I want to put before the panelists is, supposing the central government decided, how it will decide we'll come to at some other stage. First, let's understand. Supposing the central government were to decide and say, in the next 2 years or maybe 3 years, we will insist that the paper consumption in offices will be 10% of today's consumption. Nothing more will be allowed. You cannot spend more on papers. You cannot have paper files. All files will be on computers. All connectivity will be through a cloud. What would it really mean? Is it such a big problem? And if we did that, the benefits would be enormous. I mean, I'm just not able to see why we don't do it, but this is a simple proposition. Maybe I'm very simple and naive. And people will say it can't be done. Let me tell you, my own office is the only information commission, or the only commission for that matter in the whole country. I have no paper files. I mean, okay, maybe there will be 15 or 20 files in the whole office, which are paper files. You'll have to actually hunt them. And, oh, you may think I do no work. Let me share with you. I do 70% more disposal of cases than the highest disposal by any commissioner in the country. I dispose about 6,000 cases a year with no paper files. Since last 2 years, I have been doing it. So, I mean, I have some idea as to what is involved if you want to go in for computerization of your work. And I believe this is possible. With these thoughts, I'm going to ask my co-panelists, who would like to go in first? Any one of you? I think the lady should go in first. If you'd like to. Okay. Please. Thank you.